Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Pisces water sign. This is May bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Pisces water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Pisces, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Wow. Five of Wands, Two of Wands, and Four of Swords under the deck. The person involved in this connection could be fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see. So there is a lot of drama going between you and your person right now. Some issues, and you are thinking about this issue a lot. Maybe for some you have options you have to choose. But you are healing yourself from past hurts. You are doing meditation to heal yourself, but you are thinking about them a lot. Yes. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states, Pisces. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Queen of Swords, King of Cups, and Ten of Cups. I think one person giving clarity to the other person. It could be you or your person. I think in my view, it is you. So you gave the clarity to your person. That's I want this. I want marriage. I want commitment. At the same time, your person also has so much love towards you because King of Cups, in past, they offered their cup of love to you. You both are happy. Yes. In past, yeah, there are some issues, but you both okay in past. Then present, the Magician, the Star, and Three of Pentacles. Yes, maybe if you are in a separation for some, they are coming back for reconciliation. They are coming back to work on this relationship, collaboration. For some, you are manifesting again this person into your life. And there is some positive shift is coming into your life. The Aquarius card, the Star, and yeah, Magician, you are manifesting something positivity into your life, Pisces. And Three of Pentacles, you are investing your money into different businesses, collaborating with different people. So in relationship wise, if you are in separation, they want to come back. If you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. Then future, Six of Cups, Three of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles. You are thinking about this person a lot. This could be soulmate connection. For some, if you are in separation, maybe you are waiting on them. You still want them back. Yes. And you are focusing yourself at the same time. You are investing energy on yourself. Nine of Pentacles energy. You will emotionally and financially independent. Yes, you will become emotionally and financially independent, but you're still waiting on them. So the person involved in this connection could be Lord of Water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Aquarius. So Pisces, let's see your person current feelings and true intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Perfect. Yes, they're thinking about commitment, marriage. So the true current feelings, Pisces. Eight of Swords, Seven of Swords, King of Wands, and Nine of Wands. I think your person right now, no contact with you. Yes, not contacting with you because you both are in no contact situation. Because right now your person feeling stuck. I think they're scared. For some, one person is sneaky in this connection. I think it's you, and it could be you or you person. Definitely, they are thinking about you negatively. Seven of Swords energy. Maybe there are some issues between you and your person, but they wanna take action towards you. King of Wands. For some, your person is very dominative, but they are feeling stuck. Right now, they are guarded up. Yes, they are not willing to communicate. They are feeling stuck. They are thinking about some issues between you and your person, and your person also a very independent person, very aggressive in nature. So there are some trust issues between both of you. Definitely, one person is hiding something from the other person in this connection. So let's see their true intentions. Maybe in past there is no collaboration, partnership between both of you are manifesting, but your person thinking about you negatively. Page of Pentacles, Ten of Swords, the Lovers, and Four of Pentacles with Ace of Pentacles. So there are some trust issues, and they want to text you. Definitely, for some children's also involved in this connection. And Ten of Swords, I think they are in so much pain. Maybe you lied to them, maybe you cheated on them. For some, they are in so much pain, but still there is love. The Lovers card is here. That's why they want to take action. But it will take some time. Right now, your person feeling very, very sad, very painful. In near future, they will express their true feelings to you, but still they want you back. Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra, 8 sign, Gemini. Three of Pentacles with King of Cups. Yes. So they really want to work on this relationship. They want collaboration with you and justice. For some, one person in this connection may be undergoing some legal issues, but still they want you back. Still they want second chances with you. Yes, there are some trust issues between both of you, but they still want you back. I think you are also in so much pain, Pisces, without that person. You are also focusing on yourself. Maybe you also love this person. Definitely this is mutual love because Ace of Cups is here and King of Wands. I think you both are same at every level because you both are on the same page, King of Wands and King of Wands. So you both have aggressive nature. You both are same at every level. And Ace of Cups, definitely you are also love this person a lot. For some, you are doing self-love. Yeah, communication, text, maybe for some, there is age difference between both of you. One person is very good looking in this connection and Nine of Swords. You both are missing. You both are thinking about each other a lot. You both are missing each other a lot. There is missing. But still they want you back. Still they want to be with you, Pisces. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I am very attracted to you. Healing. Decision time. I realized my mistake. Marriage. Passion. So the messages are, I am very attracted to you. Healing. Decision time. I realized my mistake. Marriage and passion. These are the messages from your person and take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck. A fiery climax approaches full moon in Aries. It's time to take action, new moon in Aries. Oh, full moon in Aries and new moon in Aries. Definitely there is for some problem, there is solution is coming and it's time to take action. So if you want to make action towards your person, for some, this is the message for you. It's time to take action, especially when new moon in Aries. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.